Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the mesmerizing world of diamond manufacturing. From the rough to the polished gem, every step in this process is a masterpiece of precision and skill. Number 1. Polished diamond. Let's begin with the end result. This is what we all admire and cherish, right? A sparkling symbol of beauty and perfection. But how does it reach at this stage? The journey starts with rough diamonds. Number 2. Rough diamonds. Scientists use advanced technology, either extreme pressure and heat or a special deposition process known as chemical vapor deposition (CVD), to mimic the method of natural diamond formation. Over the course of 6 to 10 weeks, a rough diamond is formed come straight from the labs. Each one is unique in its shape, size and clarity. These hold the potential to become exquisite jewels. Number 3. Sorting purity-wise. The first step is sorting. Rough diamonds are meticulously sorted based on their purity and quality. This crucial process ensures that each diamond is handled according to its potential. Number 4. Rough diamond scanning. Next up, scanning. Advanced technologies are employed to scan each rough diamond, creating detailed 3D models that guide the manufacturing process. Number 5. Diamond planning. Diamond planning is where the magic begins. Experts strategically place each diamond within the rough to maximize its value and brilliance. A digital blueprint for precision cutting. Number 6. Sawing. Now let's talk about sawing. Using specialized tools, the rough diamond is carefully sawn into smaller, more manageable pieces to prepare for laser cutting. Number 7. Stitching for laser cutting. Stitching is a delicate process where the diamond pieces are securely mounted onto a special platform, ensuring they remain stable during the laser cutting process. Number 8. Green laser cutting. This is the heart of precision. Highly focused laser meticulously carve out the diamond's shape with incredible accuracy, guided by the earlier digital plans. Number 9. Bursting. Following cutting, bursting is employed to separate the diamonds from their mounts. This process required finesse to avoid any damage to the delicate gem. Number 10. Polishing. Polishing brings out the diamond's inherent brilliance. Each facet is carefully polished to perfection, revealing the gem's true sparkle and fire. Number 11. Polish boiling. After polishing, diamonds undergo a rigorous cleaning process known as polish boiling. This removes any residues and ensures the gem's pristine clarity. Number 12. Quality check. Finally, each diamond undergoes strict inspection to meet the highest standards of color, clarity and cut, ensuring only the finest gems reach the market. And there you have it, the intricate journey from rough stone to exquisite diamond. We hope you have enjoyed uncovering the secrets behind the diamond manufacturing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more captivating insights into the world of gems. Thank you for watching.